I'm wondering whether you would say that every species has its own aging clock.
We live in an age of disinformation. People can be reacting to things that aren't real and, in a funny way, be doing it with moral courage. Is that accurate? I was wondering, an animal that has no gut, does it start out? I mean, when it's born, does it have no gut?
Well, it's a very hard question to answer, actually. And the reason for that is because we have a big bias in the field.
From a normative perspective, we tend to want to think about moral courage, or the German term Zivilcourage, as something that is morally good.
What happens is they close off their mouth and their gut, but their symbiotic bacteria infect them through the skin and create a whole nother organ.
Giving us a whole new capacity to look at how climate and weather interact.
Automation and technology tend to target these individual tasks,
which combines the light of all these four giant telescopes.
Problems of discrimination. Technology is not as neutral as we sometimes believe.